protection film, or what we like to call ClearBra, is when you first bring your vehicle in, it's to keep that paint in as mint condition as possible. Living here in Colorado or any other state, but we are a high rock chip state, so your paint will get paint chips in it, leaving that whole front end all pitted, and to me it looks very ugly. But our industry is not for everyone. I always say, it's for those who really care about their vehicle and want to protect their investment. It will, bring back a higher resale value as well. Yeah, here at Advance, one of the most important things, to us and to our clients is keeping a very, very clean environment in our shop. So making sure that no debris is, getting underneath the film, because that is one of the most important parts of an installation. The paint, when it first comes into the vehicle or into the shop, there can be swirling and scratching. And that's where our detailers come into play, and we will buff and polish out doing a single stage paint correction. But the importance is us, as a shop, to make your paint look as perfect before applying that film for long term. So as you know, we're an XPEL dealer. XPEL, in my opinion, is the best paint protection film that you can get around. It helps against rock chips, stains, debris. So you can apply it to partial of the vehicle. You can apply it to the full front end, which we always recommend because that's what we call our seamless look, or the full vehicle. We have a lot of clients where we do the full entire vehicle, giving it the most protection all the way around. Yeah, so one of the main reasons why we started working with XPEL, not only for the clarity in the film, but the warranty behind it. So that 10-year warranty, giving it no discoloration, no yellowing, no peeling, fading, or cracking. They do back us up and back our clients up with that warranty if anything like that would happen. We haven't had it happen yet. That's why we've been very pleased clients of theirs, and have reached the platinum level of a dealer for them.